Now let's do some business with Benny Adams. Benny.
Thank you, Olajide, and cherry news there from the Central Bank. Now, as the world gathers in New York for the 80th United Nations General Assembly, Nigeria is taking a front seat with a view to marketing the renewed hope agenda and attract the right investment needed to consolidate on sustainable economic growth.
Match made them with Nigerian companies, and we expect further developments, further iterations of that investment deal room. And so when you talk about concrete investments coming into the economy, we've looked at the priority sectors and how we would sell that. I mentioned earlier that we're highlighting about 3 key sectors. We're highlighting technology, we're highlighting solid minerals, and then the creative sector.
Well, from New York there to Nigeria's capital market, where the market experienced a down day as investors lost about 326 billion naira. The all-share index, which attracts the overall performance of the market, fell by 0.40% to close at 140,929.60 basis points, down from the previous day's 141,498.44 basis points. What happened in the market? The market's decline was due to profit-taking, which is when investors sell their shares to lock in gains after a period of price increases. This led to a sell-off in several major stocks. Now, from Nigeria, we move to South Africa, where the South Africa JSE Top 40 Index had a positive day, showing an increase of 0.78% for the day, with Sibanye-Stillwater witnessing a significant jump of 7.18%. Remember, the JSE Top 40 is heavily influenced by a small number of large companies, particularly those in the mining and financial sectors, and their movement can have a big impact on the overall index. Now to Kenya. Kenyan shares were down 0.53%, with the total value of shares traded as 288.79 million Kenyan shillings, and the total volume of shares traded was more than 10.3 million. Lastly, let's look at the Tunisian market, where the Tunisian market saw an increase of 0.36%, with the most active traded stocks including Carthage Cement and Paulina Group Holdings. That is it on the markets, not just in Nigeria, but in Africa. Olajide, I'm waiting for you to get to participate in this market. It is gainful.
Yeah, sure, definitely, Benny. I told you I'm going to pick up my capital market lessons, but I think I'm redoubling efforts now. Many thanks, Benny.